Hi, my name is Kimi.
My name is Subi.
My name is Pranavi.
So today we are presenting Fitness Tracker app, a mandate app designer's project that transforms real-time phone sensor data into a personalized workout experience. The goal of the app is to give users an intuitive way to monitor their exercise session as it happens, tracking their route, effort level, and overall progress. The app connects directly to a mobile device to connect GPS and movement data, and then visualize the workout through continuously updating plots and a live workout map. It also calculates meaningful fitness metrics such as calories burned and workout duration, allowing users to see their performance evolve in real time. After each session, the app automatically records the workout into a log, helping users reflect on long-term progress and achievements. This project highlights how MATLAB can integrate mobile sensor in real-time computation and user interface design into a cohesive fitness tracking tool, offering a streamlined and engaging way to understand users' activity data. So now is the live demonstration of our app.
So I'm going to share my screen and I will open up MATLAB Mobile on my phone and then I will run the app. So this is just the general layout of our app. We have like start, pause, stop buttons, customization options. This is our previous like workout log and our achievements, and we've got a few plots over here. So to start a workout, we click the start button, but before that, we are prompted to choose an activity. So for this one, I'll just say I'm running. And then we can also choose a map style. So for this one, I will pick this style. And then we also have to input body weight to get started. So I will start, and it is now logging on my phone. So I'm just gonna walk around.
So as you can see, as Pravani walking around, the geomap is updating. The x-axis is longitude and y-axis is latitude. It shows the real-time data. And however, the plot is not smooth right now because we set up the time step in 1 second and the plot is updating in 1 second. If we change the time stamp into 0.1 second, then it will be more smooth. Also, as you can see, the speed plot and also elevation plot is updating in real time. And it's a very helpful tool to see, to record your data.
So now that my workout is done, I will click stop. And as you can see, it has added a column to our workout log. Yeah.
And in our workout log, you can see that it's a combination of what Pranavi had selected. So her activity type, her calories burned based off of the body weight she had inputted. And then other information is also extracted from her phone sensor data, such as distance, data, date, and time. And this workout log is saved so that every time the app is opened, we can see previous entries. And as Pranavi had said earlier, her new run has been added as a new entry to the table. Another feature of our app is the achievements. This is also another way of providing motivation to the user. It shows select data such as the longest run, fastest average running speed, and most calories burned. So it'll go through all of our entries and pick out whichever data fits that criteria.
Because my like most recent run is the longest, the achievements will be updated after I close the app and reopen it next time. So now I will go through some of the core features of our app. So I will go to the code view where I can talk about first our live stats table. So this is the table right here that as I'm logging the data, it will update the average mean, the average standard deviation, and other stuff like that. So this is actually done through this function compute stats that we have in our GPS class. So that one is right here, and it basically just checks that the speed is being recorded, takes the mean and standard deviation of the speed, and does the same thing with the change in elevation, and it updates this log. The next thing I will talk about is the calories burned feature. We thought this would be a pretty cool kind of reach function to do. So down here, we actually, based on the activity you pick, we assign a specific MET value, which is later used to calculate the amount of calories burned after a workout is over. And where we actually calculate the calories burned is right here using this formula that is widely accessible. It takes in the MET value, the weight, and the number of minutes elapsed.
Okay, so next I will introduce you a core function of our app right now. As you can see, we have three prods in our app. So there are three prod function corresponded. And the timer function, we are collecting the data for each second. And also we call the prod function inside timer function. The timer function works like a for loop. It will updating the prod for every second. Another thing is calculating the distance we moved in our GPS class. We convert this longitude and latitude into the meters by this formula. The result will show in the workout log.
I will discuss the code for the workout log. So if we look over here in the startup function, we have a code that checks if there is a file for the workout log existing. And if there is, it'll load that file. If not, it'll create a new table with empty arrays so that data can be inputted. And this allows us to save the workout file even when the app is closed instead of deleting it. And so when the user stops their activity after having recorded all their data, a new entry will be added to the workout log. And so you can see here we have our activity drop-down value telling us what activity it is. And then calculations for distance, duration, and calories are done in other parts of the code. And that information gets added to our workout log. And we can also extract the date and time. And then this new data is added to our workout log table as a new entry. And the final step is saving this file. So once again, it can exist outside of the app being closed. Another little feature that we decided to put in was this trash can button. So in our app, you can see it is an image, but you can actually click on that image. And what happens when you do that is a dialog box will appear. So it'll ask the user if they want to clear their workout history and if they want to confirm that deletion. So if the user clicks yes, then it'll clear all the entries in the workout log table by basically making it equal to an empty table. And that empty workout log table will be saved as the new file.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.